today. It was Macys for the win. Actually shopping for the Ralph Lauren racing collection. If I was looking around at that, especially on Ralph Lauren, and a lot of those pieces was selling out. I think I wanted it was a jacket I was shopping for, a pullover, and I think another fleece of Ralph Lauren racing collection. So that's why I was looking at other places like Macys, Saks Fifth Avenue, Dillard's, and maybe a few more to try to find most of those pieces. Because once those joints sell out, that's it. So let me get into this first piece right here. It's just a Ralph Lauren racing tee. Nothing really on the back. Kind of gave me like a vintage little vibe with the black going around the collar right here and the sleeve. I don't know what it reminded me of, but it definitely reminded me of something. And these joints right here, like anything of the racing line is never really on sale because that pretty much come and it go quick. So show you guys the back one more time. Nothing really on there. It's faded across the front right there where it says Ralph Lauren Racing. And I'm gonna try this joint on for y'all. Y'all let me know what you think about it. And this is the t-shirt. Normal fit, but you guys see the back of it. Sleeves is they cool. I like this tee. Actually liked it better than I thought I would now that I got it on. Cream, the red and black going across the front. Nothing different. Like I say, this Ralph Lauren racing line is like, this is probably like one of my, besides the double RL, I love the racing bike line. Like it's just, all of it stand out to me. Like if I could, I would buy every piece, but that's expensive. So let you guys see this joint one more time. From the front, like I say, nothing really on the back. Just like a little smooth throw and go t-shirt. All right, then let's get into the next piece, which is my favorite piece. Now on to the next piece. Is a Ralph Lauren Polo racing shirt. Now this right here is hard, and this is one of my favorite pieces right here. I wish they'd have made this in black, because I would have definitely had a crazy fit to put together. Definitely with the yellow on the patches right here. Some of y'all already know probably where I'm going with it, with the red, black, and yellow. And as well as the other patches right here on the side. I think that's one of the things that I like about the collection is like there's a lot of patches everywhere. Even under the collar right here, there's a patch, Ralph Lauren. There's another patch right here. Crazy. Nothing on the back. Like they'd have put some on the back, that really would have been stupid. But like it says up front, Polo Ralph Lauren Sport 500 series. Crazy. And it is a regular fit. This polo was 168. I think even like 170 with taxes. It's a change, I'm sorry. So, like I say, nothing on the back. Once again, just the Polo Ralph Lauren Racing. Simple polo right here, so you can get your true size. In this one, this is not like a slim fit or something. We have to go up a size. So, let me try this joint on and get y'all opinion on it. And this is the polo. This joint is dope. Like I say, my favorite part of it is these patches right here on the side. Right here, what's that say? 67 in red. And this joint right here crazy. Like I say, nothing on the back. And it's not a slim fit polo, so you can go ahead and get your size on this. Like this right here is dope. I'll probably pair this up with probably some black cargos or some black jeans or something like that when I'm stepping out with. But like I was saying, you will be seeing way more of these Polo Ralph Lauren racing pieces, whether it's a hat, whether it's a jacket, like anything. Like I try to like purchase most of it. Like I got some of it, I got some of it still in the closet now. I was thinking about even showing you guys like my whole Polo Ralph Lauren racing collection. If y'all want that video, I mean, just comment down below, let me know what you think. And so let me show you guys the shoes I've been rocking with this. And I just kept it simple. I just probably wear my padded leather red Jordan 1s just to match up with the red and black. Now the blue is in there. Could have probably went something rare air with the red, royal, black, and blue. I decided to just keep it simple. Pull these joints out right here too. We'll pull these joints out right here because it actually goes well with the shirt as well, as you guys just seen. So, but this is my favorite shirt, so y'all get the picture. You'll definitely see it on the thumbnail. So yeah, man, y'all comment down below, let me know what y'all think. Which shirt did y'all like better? Did you like this polo better, or did you like the racing tee better? And also, y'all let me know what y'all think about like the whole Ralph Lauren racing collection. Are y'all purchasing any of this? Is this something that you guys are interested in? Comment down below. Oh, and before I get out of here, if you haven't already, make sure you go follow my Instagram at Scotty_Nino, and please follow me on TikTok. It's where you'll probably see me where I put this whole fit together. So that's what I'll basically start doing now. Y'all see the outfit on here. If it's not on, you'll definitely see the whole fit together on TikTok. And once again, if you haven't already, go ahead and sub to the channel. The goal is 10,000. Let's try to get that before the end of the year. So I need y'all for that. Major. It'll be a huge blessing for me. A huge blessing for me, a huge accomplishment for me, huge goal for this year. So thank y'all. Comment down below which fit that you like. The t-shirt or this polo right here. Until the next video, thank y'all.
Riding in the car, you probably can't even pronounce. Shawty got that ass, my tracks will truly make it bounce. Home run, hit her for the hometown. In the long run, killing with my own sound. Niggas vibes are out because I'm on now. Way up and I stay up like a drone now. Can't say sorry if I hit you with the mix. It's probably cause you hit me with the switch. Hey, K-Man clubbing every time we hit the Ville. Tropicana twister, baby girl, just wanna